Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about the video Marvel posted yesterday. They gave us a little bit of a teaser for Marvel's Eternals, and they revealed a lot of new titles and confirmed the release dates of their upcoming films. So let's talk all about that. But first, let's roll the intro. So the video starts out and we see some snippets from Marvel's previous movies up to Endgame, and it is followed by a voiceover by Stan Lee, and he is talking about the entire Marvel Cinematic Universe and how we can relate to it in the real life. And to be really honest, it feels very emotional and nostalgic to see all the old clips from Endgame, all the theater reactions from the fans, followed by Stan Lee's epic voice. It really feels nostalgic, and it really makes us think how far we have come from the day Iron Man 1 released. And after that, we get to see the epic Marvel Studios logo come on the screen, and after that we see a few new shots from Black Widow, and they confirm the release date, which is July 2021. And after Black Widow we also see very few new shots from Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings, and they also confirm the release date, which is September 2021. But after that, the unexpected happens, the reason why I am making this video right now, and that is we get our first teaser of the Eternals. We get our first look. That almost 10 seconds video really flies by. We get a shot of the main characters standing together in their normal clothes, and then we see another shot after that one, and we see that they are standing near a water body in their original Eternal costumes. We also get a brief shot of Angelina Jolie's character holding a sword kind of weapon. I am personally very excited to see the Eternals in the theaters because on the Oscars this year, Chloe Zhao won the award for Best Director, and she is directing the Eternals, so I'm really excited to see her work on this movie. Alright, so after these quick teaser-like shots, we get the release date of Eternals, which is November 2021. And after the Eternals, the title card of the Spider-Man No Way Home comes up, and I really got very excited. I thought they are going to show some new footage from Spider-Man No Way Home, but that does not happen. They just confirmed the release date, which is December 2021. I am really freaking excited for this movie. I am actually the most excited for this movie out of all of the Marvel films on Phase 4. And after No Way Home, we get the confirmed release date of Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness, which is 25th March 2022. And next up is Thor Love and Thunder, and it comes out on May 6th 2022. And for your kind information, that is exactly 10 days before my birthday. I mean 10 days, yeah, what am I talking about? It's 10 days before my birthday. I don't know if you wanted to know this or not, but I am going to tell you anyway. And after that we get the confirmed release date of Black Panther 2. And we all know that Chadwick Boseman, who played Black Panther in the movies, is no longer with us. So the title is changed to Black Panther Wakanda Forever, and the movie is coming out on July 8th, 2022. And next up is The Marvels. It is the sequel to Captain Marvel. It was first named Captain Marvel 2, but now it is renamed as The Marvels. We will get to see Monica Rambeau in this movie. We last saw her in WandaVision. We will also get to see Iman Vellani's Captain Marvel, whose standalone TV show is coming to Disney Plus Hotstar later this year. The Marvels is coming to theaters on November 11th, 2022. Next is Ant-Man and the Wasp: Quantumania, and this movie is coming out on February 17th, 2023. So next is Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3. So James Gunn is currently working on the Suicide Squad from DC, and after he completes that movie, he will start his work for Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3, and this movie is coming out on May 5th, 2023. That is exactly 11 days before my birthday. So the gist is that I am going to be very happy for my birthdays for the next 2 years at least. Marvel, if you are watching this video, I really appreciate you guys for releasing movies right before my birthday every year. And once again we get to see the title card of Fantastic Four, but we don't get a confirmed release date and obviously no footage because the film has not started production yet. So yeah guys, this is it. This is almost everything that Marvel gave us from that video. All the information Marvel released with that video I just laid in front of you. I hope you understood everything, and I hope I was clear enough throughout the video. Alright guys, so let me know in the comments below your thoughts on this unexpected video and all the information we received from Marvel Studios. And I will see you again this week with the 4th episode of Recommendations Wednesday. And before I go, please do not forget to follow me on the social media linked in the description below. And I hope you liked the video. Stay safe and take care of yourself, and peace out.